Welcome to the Stanford Public Schools website tutorials, a new resource to help all Stanford families find the news and information they need on our district website. All SPS websites are powered by Google Translate. Simply select your language of choice from the menu in the top right to instantly translate the website for easy navigation. This is Tutorial 2, School-Specific Teaching and Learning Resources. Every school building in Stanford has their own school-specific website where you can find school news, contact information, and much more. To access the website for your child's districted school, simply select the Schools tab in the middle of the top navigation on the district website. Here you can quickly link to any of our elementary, middle, or high school building websites. From your school's website, you can quickly access the school-specific online resources by clicking the Teaching and Learning icon from the Quick Links button located on the left. School online resources include Google Classroom Help, supplemental curriculum tools like Quizlet, as well as enrichment opportunities in history, music, and more. Teaching and learning resources for every Stanford Public School building can also be accessed from the Teaching and Learning section of the district website. A tour of our Teaching and Learning website can be viewed in Tutorial 1 of this series. At Stanford Public Schools, we recognize that technology is never a substitute for an engaged classroom teacher, but we embrace technology as a tool to support learning and help us to foster productive habits of mind, body, and heart in every student. Our online teaching and learning resources are provided to supplement traditional classroom learning. These tools will be used differently by each staff member or building. Teachers may assign independent or small group work through these online resources. Students may also use these resources for enrichment or enjoy exploring the educational activities in their free time. All of our district teaching and learning resources have been vetted by the Stanford Public School District's technology team, as well as evaluated for how well they align with our teaching and learning pedagogy. Your child's teachers and building staff have collaborated to offer a list of online resources that best serve the needs of their students. We encourage all Stanford Public School families to explore our school-specific online resources as well as the entire Stanford Public Schools Teaching and Learning website. We hope you will use these resources to support your child in developing productive habits of mind, body, and heart.